Today we are making white sauce chicken cheese pasta. This is a very tasty pasta recipe. Before this video starts, please subscribe to Cooking in Style. Now let's start this really tasty recipe. First, add 1 teaspoon salt in boiling water. Add oil 1 tablespoon. Add 700 grams of pasta into the boiling water, then boil it until the pasta is tender. After boiling the pasta, strain it with cold water. Keep aside. Add 600 grams of chicken to heated oil. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt to the chicken. And now cook the chicken until it is tender. The chicken is cooked. Now put it in a plate and keep aside for adding into the pasta. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add 1 chopped onion and again cook it for 5 minutes. After this, add 1 chopped carrot and 1 chopped capsicum. Cook this until tender. Now add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add half a teaspoon of salt. And mix together well. Now add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now add the chicken. Mix it with the vegetables well. Now keep this aside so we can make the sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of butter into the pan. Add 2.5 tablespoons of plain flour. Mix it and cook it for 4 minutes. Now add milk 1 cup. Make sure to mix it properly. Add 1 more cup of milk. Add a little bit of black pepper. Add salt to taste. Add oregano herb. Mix it well. Now add the boiled pasta. Mix it together well. Now add the vegetables and chicken. Mix this together well. Add cheese on top and cook it for 3 minutes on low heat. Alhamdulillah, the pasta is ready. Now dish out and serve to your family. They will love it. This is a really tasty pasta recipe that you can try. It is both healthy and delicious. You can also add cream to this pasta, but that is your choice. If you have not subscribed to Cooking in Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Check out our Facebook page and Instagram account. Give your feedback of our videos in the comment section down below. You can also find the ingredients of the recipe in the description. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.